Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Thinking about moving to Ohio, or maybe you already live there and are just curious about your taxes? Let's talk about one of the most common, and sometimes surprising, parts of Ohio's tax system, the city income tax. Unlike many other states, in Ohio, the real question isn't if a city has an income tax, but rather, how much it is. The vast majority of Ohio municipalities, including hundreds of cities and villages, levy their own income tax. So what is this tax? It's a tax on your earned income, the money you make from your job or your business. This isn't a property tax or a sales tax, it's taken directly from your wages. The reason it's so widespread is that Ohio law allows municipalities to use this tax to fund essential local services. We're talking about the things you see every day: police and fire departments, road repairs, trash collection, and park maintenance. It's the primary way many Ohio cities keep the lights on and the streets safe. To give you an idea, let's look at some of the major players. Columbus has a city income tax rate of 2.5%. If you head north to Cleveland, their rate is also 2.5%. Down in Cincinnati, it's 1.8%. Over in Akron, the rate is 2.5%, and in Dayton, it's also 2.5%. Toledo comes in at 2.5% as well. You can see a pattern here, with many larger cities hovering around that 2.5% mark, but rates can vary significantly across the state, from less than 1% to over 3% depending on the specific location. Now, here's a really important part you need to know. This tax doesn't just apply to people who live in the city. In most cases, if you work in a city with an income tax, you have to pay it, even if you live in a different suburb or township that doesn't have one. This is a big deal for commuters. The good news is that Ohio has a system of tax credits. Usually, the city where you live will give you a credit for the taxes you paid to the city where you work, so you're not completely double taxed, but the rules can be complicated and you might still owe a difference if your home city has a higher rate. So, with hundreds of places having a tax, how do you find out the exact rate for a specific address? The absolute best way is to use the official tool provided by the state. The Ohio Department of Taxation has an online tool called the Finder. You can simply type in any Ohio address, and it will tell you the exact school district and municipal income tax rates for that location. It's the most accurate and reliable source. You can also check the official government website for the specific city you're interested in. They'll have their finance or tax department information listed. The bottom line is this: if you live or work in an incorporated city or village in Ohio, you almost certainly are subject to a local income tax. Don't get caught by surprise when you see it on your paycheck or when it's time to file your taxes. Always check the specific rate for both your home and work address. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this cleared up some of the confusion around Ohio's city income taxes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straight-to-the-point guides. We'll see you in the next one.